Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be replacing broken HDMI connector on a PlayStation 5. PS5 is already disassembled and under the microscope, so let's begin the HDMI port replacement process. Begin by applying flux on the points and the surroundings. Then set the heating station to 550 degrees or 500 depending on the type of desoldering station you have. Begin heating the HDMI connector from underneath. And when you see the solder melt, carefully lift the HDMI connector with tweezer. Now apply more flux and solder the pads with leaded solder to lower the melting point for better connection. You can use desoldering wig and redo the pads, but it's not recommended for beginners. Clean the flux on surface with alcohol and cotton bud. Apply more flux. Just like before, apply heat from underneath. And when you see the solder melt, carefully place the new HDMI connector. And just to be on the safe side, cover bottom side of the HDMI connector with anti-heat tape to protect the plastic inside from melting during the replacement process. Press on the connector with tweezer for a few seconds until the solder is cold enough. Then check soldered pins for movement with tweezer just to make sure pins are soldered properly. Finally, give it a clean with alcohol and cotton bud to get rid of the flux. Reassemble PlayStation 5 and the port replacement is complete. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.